practice problem 14. Here we have the same problem as 13, so the coach can change these angles and ask the student to use a protractor to practice. Practice number 15. Prove angle LPM equals to the angle OPN. So how do we prove this? Both lines are straight lines. Straight lines, here the angle is 180 degrees. So the angle LPM plus this angle M, this is N, MPN equals 180 degrees. And let's look at this straight angle. This angle MPN plus OPN is also 180 degrees. We can see that these two additions has the common angle in between. So this angle plus this angle plus that angle, they both equal to the same number. So that since the middle number is the same and they sum up to the same number, so LPN must equals to OPN. Practice problem 16. Line M and N are parallel, and we're given the measure of one angle here, 113 degrees. Find the values for all the other angles. So for parallel lines, we have to remember angle W equals to this angle. As we talk about in here, the corresponding angles, A and E are corresponding angles. They are always the same. So W is always equals to 113 degrees. And angle Z and A is also are also corresponding angles, so they are same as well. But A plus 113 equals to 180 degrees, so we can find A so that we can find Z. So once you find these four angles, X, Y, B, and C can be calculated pretty easily. We like the students to finish this problem. The last part, part 5, perimeter, area of a square, triangle, trapezoid, rectangle, and a parallelogram. So here we give one practice problem. The problem is the area of the parallelogram is 18 square meters. How many meters is the circumference or perimeter of the parallelogram? So we give two heights. So remember, for any parallelogram, the area equals to the base, let's call that A, base multiply height. So this is the base. Base on the other side, this vertex give you a straight line perpendicular to this line. So this is the base, that's the corresponding height. These two are always in pairs. So A multiply H, then this would be the H. So area, they told you, area is 18. So A multiply H equal to 18. And H now is 6. A multiply 6. So that we know that A is equal to 3. So we have another height here. This is not very perpendicular, but you get the idea. So if we use this line, call that B as a base, this is the corresponding height. So say this is an X. So B now multiply X equals to area 18. And we know that X, the height, is 2, so that this side B equals to 9. So once you know one side of the parallelogram is 3 and the other side is 9, then you can find the perimeter of the parallelogram.